Hello guys, in this today video I'm going to talk about customs and tradition in my city. First of all, I live in a small city called Valledupar. In this city, people are used to get up early every day to go for a walk or go jogging to the river. And they usually take a shower in its waters before go back to their houses. This is a river of my city called Hurtado or Rio Guadapuri. Other customs of my people, they are used to set in front of their houses with relatives, friends or neighbors to share a drink, a meal, or anything. Thus people also are used to meet in order to sing music, vallenato music. Other custom very important in my city is that people are used to greet whoever, no mattering shot a person is being unknown. Simply we do it because this one pass close to us, just like this photo you can see. Well, now go with my tradition on my city. I can say there are two very important traditions on my city, Valledupar. The first one is related to musical tradition, which is celebrated every April month during a week. Here people go to the plaza Alfonso Lopez for sing and enjoy the concert of vallenato music. There is a very important tradition in my city, which is related religious tradition. So we can see at Easter week, where people go to the parade of Saint Ex Homo until the dawn, who is only displayed to town on Easter week. And finally, also very important in my city regarding tradition is that people at Easter week prepare all kinds of jam, especially coconut with milk, for later sharing or exchange with relatives, friends, or neighbors. So, guys, that's all for a moment. See you next activity. Bye.